How does cardio compare to strength training? Cardio or strength training? The barrel of the workouts. Which burns more fat? Which builds muscle? Which is the best for your overall health? Today we are diving deep into the differences between cardio and strength training to help you decide which one is the best for your fitness goals. Stick around, because the answer might surprise you. For years, fitness enthusiasts have debated over which form of exercise reigns supreme. Some swear by the calorie-torching benefits of cardio, while others argue nothing beats the muscle-building power of strength training. But what if the real answer isn't one or the other, but a combination of both? Let's break it all down. What is cardio? Let's start with cardio. It's short for cardiovascular exercise. This includes running, cycling, swimming, jumping rope, basically anything that gets your heart pumping and lungs working hard. Cardio is known for improving endurance, heart health and burning calories. But what does cardio actually do to your body? When you perform cardiovascular exercise, your heart rate increases, blood flow more efficiently, and your body learns to use oxygen more effectively. This can lead to improved stamina, better circulation and a stronger heart. Additionally, cardio helps lower stress hormones like cortisol and increase feel-good chemicals like endorphins, making it a great stress reliever. What is strength training? On the other side, we have strength training. This includes lifting weights, resistance training and body weight exercise like squats and push-ups. The main goal, to build muscle, increase strength and improve bone density. But how does it work? Strength training causes microscopic damages to your muscle fibers, which then they repair and grow back stronger. This process, known as muscle hypertrophy, is what leads to increased muscle mass and definition. And here is something interesting. Building muscle doesn't just make you stronger, it also helps regulate blood sugar levels, improve posture, and even support joint health. Cardio versus strength training. Which burns more calories? Alright, let's talk about burning calories. Many people assume cardio is the ultimate fat burner because it burns a lot of calories in a single session. And that is true. 1 hour of running can burn anywhere from 500 to 800 calories, depending on your weight and intensity. But here is the twist. Strength training might not burn as much calories during the workout, but it boosts your metabolism even after you have done your workout. That is called the afterburn effect, EPOC, assess post-exercise oxygen consumption. Your body continues burning calories for hours after lifting weights. So while cardio burns calories instantly, strength training keeps your metabolism elevated for longer. Fat loss. Cardio versus strength training. So which one is better for fat loss? The answer, both. Cardio helps burn a lot of calories quicker, but strength training helps build muscle, and more muscle means higher resting metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even while you are resting. Study shows that combining cardio with strength training leads to the most effective long-term fat loss. Muscle growth and body composition. If your goal is to build muscle and get that defined look, strength training is the clear winner. Lifting weights stimulates muscle growth, increases strength, and even helps improve bone density. But don't get me wrong, cardio is still important. While excessive cardio can break down muscle if you're not fueling yourself up properly. Moderate cardio can actually support muscle recovery by increasing blood flow and reducing soreness. That is why many professional athletes use both heart health and longevity. When it comes to heart health, cardio is king. Running, cycling and swimming improve cardiovascular endurance, lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. But don't count strength training out just yet. Study shows that lifting weights also improve heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing insulin sensitivity. A mix of both is the ultimate heart healthy combo. Which one is better for mental health? Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. Both cardio and strength training releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Cardio is particularly great for reducing stress, anxiety and depression, while strength training builds confidence, discipline and sense of achievement. The key is choosing what makes you feel the best. Injury risk and recovery. One big factor to consider is injury risk. High impact cardio, like running, can be tough on your joints, especially if you have a knee or ankle problems. Strength training, if it's done with proper form, is generally lower impact and even prevent injuries by strengthening muscles and your joints. Recovery is the key no matter which workout you choose. So, which one is better? The ultimate answer, it depends on your goal. If you want endurance, better heart health and immediate calorie burn, cardio is the best bet. If you want to build strength, muscle and burn fat, long-term strength training is the way to go. But the best fitness routine is the mixture of both. Balance is the key. So there you have it. Cardio and strength training both have amazing benefits. And the best workout is the one that fits to your lifestyle and your goals. Do you prefer running, lifting or both? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fitness content. See you in the next video. Stay strong and healthy and keep moving. Thank you for tuning in today to Unpowered Lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, whatever you are. Many blessings.